The signs of the last days prophecies were foretold by the prophets of old and Jesus Christ and his apostles. Now they're happening, like the Bible said. And now we have this. A group of space experts are saying with 100% certainty that something is coming. And what they're saying will happen is in definite alignment with the last days prophecy of the book of Revelation foretelling the return of Jesus Christ. Perhaps what these space experts are forecasting to happen may look something like this. This group of space experts are saying that they know with 100% certainty that the Earth will be hit by a devastating asteroid, capable of destroying a great part of life on planet Earth. And they say their forecast is based on a factual combination of history and science that shows it's 100% certain that we'll be hit. These space experts are a group called the B612 Foundation, who focus on protecting Earth from catastrophic asteroid impacts. And these people are not a group of conspiracy theorists or other wackos, but they're a team consisting of noted scientists, former astronauts, astronomers, engineers, and other scientific types who know what they're talking about. This organization is run by former astronauts Ed Lu and Rusty Schwackart and collaborates with major international institutions on research, science, and technological projects related to planetary protection. But they say it's a task so mammoth that Earth is currently wide open to being struck by an asteroid without us even knowing that it's coming. NASA was directed by Congress to find asteroids near Earth that pose an immediate threat. But they say of the millions of asteroids estimated, only about 18,000 of them are being tracked, with a majority, which can be in the millions, not even located or monitored. They say the technological instruments and resources that are required to detect and track near-Earth asteroids are currently so costly and extensive that it would take many decades yet to achieve that. And that even if we could identify them, then doing something about it is entirely another different matter. Currently, the Earth's collective asteroid avoidance strategy consists of hoping it doesn't happen. NASA and other space agencies are working on plans to be able to address the problem someday. But right now, those plans are just that. Plans based on future hope, because any realistic technology to neutralize a deadly asteroid, they say, doesn't exist. And they say this means that the task is so massive that Earth is wide open to being struck by an asteroid without us even knowing that it's coming. For example, like this one. This one happened in 2013 near the Russian city of Chelyabinsk, when an asteroid unexpectedly exploded into the sky and released more than 30 times the kinetic energy of the Hiroshima bomb. The resulting shock wave, as you saw, blew out the windows of nearly 5,000 buildings and injured more than 1,200 people. There was no warning for that asteroid. The world found out about it when it hit. And these space experts are 100% sure a real deadly asteroid is coming that can significantly damage the earth and its populations. And their proclamation is an exact sign in alignment with the last days prophecy of the book of Revelation that foretells the return of Jesus Christ. It says in Revelation chapter 8 that something like a great mountain burning with fire was thrown into the sea, and a third of the sea became blood. A third of the living creatures in the sea died, and a third of the ships were destroyed. Perhaps it was something like this. So now, real experts are saying the same thing as what the holy prophetic scriptures of the Bible say. Now we know from scientific experts and from the holy scriptures that a killer asteroid is coming in the great future tribulation of the earth. But now, at this moment, we have a time to prepare and save souls through Jesus Christ. We live now in a time of grace and mercy before judgment comes. With this grace and mercy provided by the sinless life and sacrifice of Jesus Christ for all sin on his cross, to where whosoever will can come out of a sinful and rebellious world full of profane iniquity and mocking, and come to Jesus Christ and have all things made right, finding peace and completeness in Jesus Christ. But the signs, like this one, that the scientists and the Revelation prophecy are showing us. Right now we're in the days of grace, but these signs show us it's the last days of grace, where just for a little while longer, the light is still shining to lead those that will out of the growing darkness. Then when the light of the world is taken out, when God's patience through Jesus Christ, which has gone on for hundreds and hundreds of years, is up, the unbelievers with hard hearts against God, just like Pharaoh in the past, will be left to the darkness of judgment that comes unexpectedly and swiftly. But now, today is the day of salvation before the return of Jesus Christ. Go now to our website, signsofTheLastDays.org, and watch the video for next steps to the rapture.